Hello friends, today we will see how to create and assign button for an existing macro in the Excel file. First we will click on the developer tab, we will click on insert, in form controls we will click on the button. We will take the cursor to the required position and release the button as per our requirement. The moment we release the button, we get a prompt for selection of the macro. We select the macro and click on OK. We can right click on the macro to change the text, size, bold, coloring of the button. Click on OK. Again, we need to right click on the format control and click on the properties tab, and we click on the don't move or size with cells. This is very important because when we insert column or rows at the same point, there is a possibility that the button size would increase or decrease. So selection of this option is very important. When we click on the button, it would insert a column between L and M and save the file. Thank you.